Most people who start raising quail stop at eggs. They set up the cages, the birds start laying in 6 weeks, and they sell a few dozen at the farmer's market. Maybe $100 a month, maybe $2. And that's where they stay, because nobody told them there are 2 more income streams sitting inside that same flock, waiting to be unlocked. This video covers the full stack, 3 income streams from Quaternic's quail, combined math, and the exact order to add each one so you're not overwhelmed and you're not leaving money on the table. The ceiling on the system, with 50 to 60 birds in a space the size of a spare bedroom, is around $1,400 a month, net. Here's how to build it. The system has 3 parts. You don't have to build all 3 at once. In fact, you shouldn't. You start with 1, stabilize it, then add the next. Stream 1 is eating eggs. This is your foundation. It's the simplest, requires no extra equipment, and it funds everything else. Stream 2 is hatching eggs. You already have the birds. You add a breeding pen and a couple of males. The exact same egg that sells for 50 cents now sells for $1.50 to $2. Same bird, 3 times the price. Stream 3 is live chicks. You add a small incubator, $150, and instead of selling the eggs, you hatch them and sell the birds. This is where the income makes a serious jump. When all 3 are running, 30 hens on eating eggs, 20 hens in a breeding pen, 1 incubator running 2 hatches a month, the math gets to around $1,400 a month, net of feed. Let's go through each one. Quaternic's quail start laying at 6 to 8 weeks old. A healthy hen lays roughly 5 eggs per week, about 300 eggs per year. For context, a chicken takes 20 weeks to start laying and produces about the same annual number. The quail does it in less than half the time, in a fraction of the space. 30 laying hens produce about 750 eggs a month. That's 62 dozen, at $5 a dozen, which is the low end for quail eggs in most US markets. That's $310 a month gross. The key to making this work is not selling 1 carton at a time to neighbors. That model takes too much time and the income is inconsistent. The better move is landing 1 or 2 wholesale accounts. A local cafe, a restaurant that does brunch, an Asian grocery store. Quail eggs are a premium item in Asian cuisine. Find one buyer who takes 20 to 30 dozen per week, and your eating egg income becomes predictable. Where to sell? Facebook Marketplace and local Facebook poultry groups will get your first buyers fast. Farmers markets work well in spring and summer. For consistent volume, approach restaurants directly. Bring a sample dozen and your price sheet. The number 1 mistake in this stream is inconsistent supply. Restaurants will drop you if you can't deliver the same quantity every week. Don't pitch a wholesale account until your flock is stable and you've been tracking production for at least 3 weeks. Stream 1 net, approximately $180 to $210 per month after feed. Here's the part most quail keepers miss. A fertile egg, one that can hatch, sells for $1 to $2 each, not per dozen, per egg. That same batch of 30 eggs that would sell for $12.50 as eating eggs sells for $30 to $60 as hatching stock. Same bird laid them. All you added was a male in the pen. To set up a breeding pen, you separate 20 of your hens and add 4 to 5 males. The rule of thumb is 1 male per 4 to 5 females. More males than that and they fight. Fewer and fertility rates drop. Those 20 hens produce 500 eggs a month. You package them in groups of 12 and sell them as hatching eggs. At $15 per dozen, that's $615 a month. Where to sell? eBay is the dominant platform for hatching egg sales nationwide. Buyers on eBay expect shipped eggs and understand hatch rates won't be perfect, typically 60 to 70% for shipped eggs. Facebook Marketplace works for local pickup, which means no shipping costs and higher hatch rates for the buyer. Etsy also has an active poultry market. For packaging, hatching eggs ship best in small foam cartons, point side down, with each egg individually wrapped. The shipping cost runs $3 to $8 per order. Most sellers fold that into the price or charge it separately. The number 1 mistake, using a low-quality male and not testing fertility before listing. You can crack 2 or 3 eggs under a bright light, called candling, after 3 days of incubation to confirm the eggs are fertile before you build a customer base on them. 1 bad batch with poor fertility and your reviews tank. Stream 2 adds approximately $500 to $550 net per month on top of Stream 1. This is where the income makes a real jump. Instead of selling the fertile eggs and letting someone else hatch them, you hatch them yourself and sell the chicks. The equipment, a Nurture Right 360 incubator costs around $150. It holds 160 quail eggs per batch. Quail incubate for 17 days. You can run 2 batches per month, staggered by 1 week so you have a continuous supply. The math, 500 eggs from your breeding pen, run through the incubator at 65% hatch rate, gives you 325 chicks per month. You keep 25 to replace older hens in your laying flock. You sell 300. Week-old Quaternic's chicks sell for $3.50 to $5 each. At $4, the conservative number, 300 chicks is $1,200 per month. If you feather sex the chicks at 10 to 14 days old and sell females separately, hens go for $6 to $8 each. You can push that number higher. Buyers specifically want layers, and they'll pay a premium for guaranteed females. Where to sell? Facebook Marketplace is the primary platform for live birds. Post your availability 2 weeks before your hatch date and pre-sell as many as you can. Local feed stores sometimes take chicks on consignment. Poultry swaps, which happen monthly in most rural counties, are another solid outlet. The number one mistake: hatching before you have buyers confirmed. Quail chicks need to sell within the first week or two, or you're feeding them yourself. Build your buyer list before you start the incubator. Post in local Facebook poultry groups, get commitments, then hatch. Stream 3 adds approximately $1,000 to $1,200 net per month on top of streams 1 and 2. Here's the full picture when all 3 streams are running. Eating eggs from 30 hens, $310 per month. Hatching eggs from 20 hens with 5 males, $615 per month. Live chicks from 2 hatches per month, $1,200 per month. Gross total, $2,125. Feed, electricity, and supplies, minus $130. Net income, approximately $1,995 per month. Now that's the ceiling. The honest beginner range, someone in their first 6 months building this out, is closer to $1,100 to $1,400 per month net. Chick sales in particular take time to build a buyer base, and your first few hatches won't all be at full capacity. The realistic timeline looks like this. Month 1 to 2, eating eggs only, around $200 net. Month 2 to 3, you add the breeding pen and hatching egg sales, income jumps to $500 to $700. Month 4 and beyond, incubator is running, chick sales come online. You're approaching $1,200 to $1,400 per month. For startup costs, 50 to 60 birds, 3 wire cages, 1 incubator, feeders, waterers, and first month of feed runs $600 to $800 total. You recover that investment in the first 2 to 3 months of operation. The recommended starting combination for someone brand new: start with 25 hens, no bucks, just eating eggs. Get your production dialed in, find your first buyers, then add the breeding pen in month 2. Add the incubator when the hatching egg sales are already running. Each step funds the next. 3 streams, same birds, 1 cage setup. That's the Quail income stack. The next video covers cocky Campbell ducks, an animal that beats chickens on every income metric and has over 1 million views of proof that people want to know about it. If you're already running quail and want to add a second system on the same quarter acre, ducks are the next logical step. That video is coming next. If this breakdown was useful, subscribe. Every video on this channel is built around real startup costs, real income math, and where to actually sell. Acre income. Because the best farm fits in your backyard.